tired. Anyway. I can't believe it's raining. That Leo, like, it was just raining early. Like, bro. No, it wasn't. It wasn't raining earlier. whatever. You girls get ready for bed because you girls have school in the morning. Tomorrow is your last day of school, okay? So don't be like, I don't want to go to school. Okay, shut up, because we're going to go. I want to go to school. The last day, can we skip? Absolutely not. Like, plus your friends are gonna want to see you on the last day of school. Your friends are gonna be like, where are the girls at? They're always here every single day. So your girls are gonna go whether you like it or not. Do you understand? Fine. Okay, I'm gonna go make some food for dinner. What do you girls want for dinner? I don't know. Can we order pizza? Fine, we can order pizza. Since we didn't go to gym, since we didn't go to gym or go to the thing for the soccer or the tennis, we just can get that. I'm gonna read a little bit, and then I'm gonna order the girls' pizza. I'm gonna change this one. Deep clean tomorrow while we're at school. Hey puppies. Hello? Hi, what can I do for you? Hi, can I please get a, girls? Yeah? What pizza would you like to order? Cheese and pepperoni. Only one. Cheese. Hi, can I order? I'm so sorry. I was probably doing that. Oh, that's okay. Thank you. But can I order one whole cheese pizza? Of course. Would you like anything else with that? Breadsticks, please. Breadsticks? Alright. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm gonna have to put you on hold for a moment because I have to see how long that would take for your order. Is that okay? Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Alright, thank you. Hi, ma'am. Your pizza will be here. Will be at your Well, actually, can I get your I'm so sorry. I just left from my work. My kids? Can I please get your address? Oh, of course, my address. Sorry about that. It is 35532. Broadmoor Street, 897-776. All right. Okay, your pizza will be on its way. Okay, thank you so much. Coffee on the road. Ma'am, is the pizza going to be here yet? Girls, you have to be patient and wait. But I want the pizza. Yeah, we want pizza. Wait. Fine. I'm so mean to you. I'm not mean to you girls. You girls need to wait. Yeah. What should we do? You girls need to deep clean your rooms too when you get home tomorrow. Okay. What should we do? Take showers. Oh, whatever. I don't want to take a shower. Me neither, but we have to. It's like so annoying. Like I don't even want to freaking do it, bro. How are you? But let's take some cozies. Put on some cozies. To hobby, to hub. Okay, we're at the shower. Hurry. The farm was really fun today. Oh my gosh, guys, it's stuck again. My screen is stuck. Okay, finally. I must be pizza. That must be pizza. Coming. I don't know where the key is. Hi, here's your pizza. Puppies. Thank you so much. Have a great night. Thank you. Girls, pizza. Woo! Breadsticks? Oh, this one's good. I want this one. You got breadsticks, man? Oh, these are going to be really good. I already know. I'm going to slice. Dang, you already ate yours. Why you have to do that? Whoa. Dang, you're greedy. Why'd you eat that whole thing of pizza so fast? Bro, stop talking with your mouth full. That's disgusting. Like, that's so nasty, bro. Alice, don't do that. Bro, shut up, Alice. Like, you talk too much. Shut up, Alice. Eat your food. That was good. Shut up. Alice, you need to... Elise, you shut up. You can't eat... Girls, eat your food. It's time for bed anyway. We're cleaning this whole house tomorrow when you girls get back from school because we need to do some cleaning. We really do. Oh my gosh, look what you started, Alice. Shut up, Ellie. Shut up and eat. Shut up! Mom said to shut up and eat. Look at you eating that whole thing of pizza already. You can't be talking. You can't be talking because I barely even ate any yet. So like you shut up, bro. I'm getting full. Yeah, no duh, because you ate that whole thing of pizza. Or 2 of them already. What did I say? I was giving you girls some iPad. I was going to give you girls some iPad tomorrow after school. But no, we had to clean the house. And now we have to clean the whole house. And now you're getting no iPad. Next, it will be no toys. No squishy dumpling. And I'm taking away your trophies if you keep talking, girls. She's not there. What did I just say? Alice, shut up. That's not even my name. That's your name. Elise, whatever. What did I just say? Sorry. Okay, you girls can leave the leftover pizza for another time. Okay. Pizza here. After that pizza's up, I'll clean the dishes and everything, and you girls go to bed. Okay. You put the bed sticks up. Like that. Do you want me? Do you wanna love me like that? Like that. Do you want me? Do you wanna love me like that? Like that. I'm like so tired. Shut up. Okay, just shut up. Bro, what the heck did I do? Alice? What do you want, Alice? And stop calling me Alice, because that's your name. Whatever, Alice. Whatever, Elise. Whatever, that name is ugly. You can't be talking! Girls, are you girls up? And why are you fighting in the middle of morning? It's literally 6 6:35 and you girls are already screaming and yelling. Like, look at the watch. Look at my watch right here. Look at my watch. Oh, it is 6:35. But whatever. We have to get ready for school, remember, Mom? Yep, you girls sure do. Okay. Get the clothes out. I'm going to go put the clothes in the dryer. It only takes about a few minutes because... Bro, what the flip? Okay. This doesn't really take so long. Alright, it's time to start deep cleaning my room. So I'm gonna put this here. This should go somewhere. Let's organize all these clothes. From BTS, but just put it in here. I need a little face for these because I don't know what to put them. I'll just put them in here. Going to the pool for this summer in a few weeks. Bunch of stuff. Here's the key. Put this in the fridge. This is also from BTS. All my special stuff goes in here. This can go in the trash. It can go there. Girls, why aren't you girls getting ready? Go get ready now. Your clothes are done drying. Oh, God. I really didn't want to go to school. Me neither, but we have to. Just get out all the clothes. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna delete this because it's literally bothering me so much. I want to wear this. These are all ours. These are all mine. Bro. Oh no, I hear it raining again. Wait, it's raining again. Why is it raining? God, no. The girls have umbrellas. You do? Yes, you do. You didn't know that? Oh. Wait, actually. How do you girls not know you girls have umbrellas? I don't know. It's crazy. Let's go pick up some mail at the shop today. You girls, hurry up. My mom's right about this. We gotta do this here when we get home. Yeah. We'll put up some clothes when we get home too. Yeah. Get our backpacks. This is... No, that's it. No, it's not. Okay, bye, ma'am. Remember, take your umbrellas. Good thing your bikes were in the shade and not in the sun. That's my bike. It doesn't matter, they're bikes. It's my bike. Yeah, cut it off. Bye, ma'am. Bye, girls. Can't believe you ruined everything last night. Bro, why are we talking about this again? Mom said tomorrow we could have got some iPad. We could have got some iPad. We could have played 99 Nights in the Forest together. But now we have to play with the freaking dogs. What? Remember last night? I remember everything about last night. What about it? She said because we were fighting, and it's all your fault. She said we could have got some iPad. And guess what? We can't get iPad. That's not my problem. That is your problem. Hold on, guys. What kind of outfit is that? I don't care, so let's just do this. Dancing in the mirror, singing in the shower, la-di-dee, la-di-da. Dancing in the mirror, singing in the shower, la-di-dee, la-di-da. In the mirror. Oh, that was so stressful. For real, like, I didn't ever... Bro, that was like the hardest. She asked us, she gave us the easiest question and then left us with the rest. Bro. Like, that was so stressful. I don't ever want to come back to the school ever again. Gladly, it's the last day of school. Ooh, that was stressful. She's like, what's 1 million times 500,000? I don't know. And she said, if anyone gets it, we get a free trip to Disneyland next year after. Because we're going to have a new teacher. I mean, we're going to still have her as our teacher in 5th grade. She said, what's 1 million times 500,000? If someone gets this right, we can have a trip to Disneyland. Bro, who's going to get that? She bribed us with something that we knew we weren't going to get. Like, that's not fair. Well, did you guys get it? No. And you wouldn't know, because we're not even in this. That's why I asked. And you can't be talking. What are you bro, oh my gosh, here you go again. Shut up, bro. Like, you can't even be talking right now. And Chi, what the and you can't be talking either, cause Chi, bro, Chi, oh my, wait, is this Eliana's mom? Oh my goody booty god! Guys, I forgot the clothes at the school, but it's okay, I don't care. They're booty koalas. You couldn't even be talking, because you literally just said. Oh my gosh, shut up. Wait, we have to go to the back. Oh yeah. Hey ma'am. Hey girls. Remember cleaning the whole house today. Dang it. Ew, look at all this dirt everywhere. This is nasty. This is nasty, 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 nasty. I don't want to be stepping in all this. Let's put our backpacks over here for now. And our umbrellas over here. Girls, get ready to clean. Let's start now. Do we really have to be doing this now, Mom? Out of all times? Out of all times, girl. Out of all times. Okay, so you can go scrub. Take this. Real cool. No, just not. It's the best thing I can do that. Thank you so much, vacuum cleaner. I don't know. No, why'd the power go out? Bro, the power didn't go out. The battery died. Oh. Well. Oh, okay, there. Why does it keep turning off? Because it can't clean liquid things like that. Why would you put it there? I didn't put it there. It went there itself. I'll just turn it off for now. Man, why are you just sitting there? Because I need to wait for you girls to move out my way. Oh. Go get the bleach stuff. What bleach stuff? The one that's on top of the dryer. I don't see it. It's there. Oh, that. Get all of them. Except for the softer. Don't use that. Use this. This is for the toilet. You don't need that. We live in apartments. We have other bathrooms, okay? Right. Finally. Guys, honestly, I want to know why I don't have a duster. I don't have a sponge. Duster. might need like 3 of them. Wait, maybe, can I put it on here? Dang, that would have been cool. If I could go like that. Let's do that. Oh, hi puppies, you want some food? Oh, I'm already sweating, bro. Same. Like, it's already hot in here. For real, the power already went out. Did the power go out? Yeah, it went out. It's hot. Turn on the generator. Great, Max. Turn on the generator. I want to turn on the generator. Generator! In the kitchen. Oh. I don't see a generator. She's talking about the one under the sink. This one. Oh. This better work. And if it doesn't, it might just crash out. It'll work. It has to work. It doesn't have a choice. Guys, I can't find it. Oh, this works. This is way better. I feel it. Give me the bucket. Ew, get in everywhere. Hey, I have a plan. What? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you have? What's tea? Well, if we... Damn. Okay, never mind. If we, oh my god, hurry up! Oh, if we try our best, then we're gonna have an iPad. All that stuttering for what? No, we're already trying our best and it's not putting in any effort. Whatever, but watch when I get to my iPad and you don't. Hey Mom, I'm trying my best and she's not. If we both try our very best to make it to the iPad, but I'm trying my best. I heard that conversation and now you're not getting iPad. Haha, that's what you get. Your sister can have a little bit of iPad because of how good she is. But I was honest. Oh my god. That's like not even nice, Mom. That's nice that he's talking about, oh, I have a plan to get an iPad behind my back. I can hear you. Oh, God. I just want to go to the beach next week already. The next week is 7 days. So you gotta wait for 7 days. You gotta have 7 days in your vocabulary. Ooh. You're getting roasted. Look at your sister cleaning and you're not, and you're just sitting there. Clean up. There's nowhere else. Then go somewhere and find something to clean. Okay. Take a sponge. The yellow one, since you want to be messing around so much. Actually, no. Take this purple sponge, yellow sponge, and take the duster. Give your sister that cleaner. Just leave it there. And go clean up the spider web and all that. By the door. Oh my gosh. I think we're done. We're done. You sure? Oh, there's one. Where we get to go? I got it. No, you didn't. I got it. Whatever. Still have this. Go put up everything. Now there's no clean up here. Okay.